Top 3 RCD books na literal na game changer sa studies mo. Number 1, Design of Concrete Structures by Darwin and Dolan. This is an international reference na solid sa fundamentals. Ito yung ginagamit ko sa klase ko kasi detailed yung explanations at updated na sa code references. This is perfect para sa matinding foundation sa RCD. Number 2 is Design of Reinforced Concrete by McCormack and Brown. Ito naman ay very student-friendly, maraming examples at may step-by-step solutions. Kaya mas madaling i-follow kahit self-study ka. Number 3 is Reinforced Concrete Design by Master Lieluyo. This is a local book na updated na sa NCP 2015. May supplementary problems din sa pre-test concrete, earthquake engineering, theory of structures, at vector analysis. Comprehensive yung book pero madaling intindihin yung solutions ng author. So kung gusto mo mag-level up sa RCD, this is highly recommended. Kung seryoso ka sa RCD, mag-invest ka sa quality references. Tandaan, the right book can save you hours of confusion.